So this week's install was a pretty quick and simple one. It's a 2019 Chevy chassis Tiger Bengal 4x4 conversion. It is done by Provan Industries up in North Carolina. Pretty neat install. What we did was we upgraded the batteries from AGM batteries to two 100 amp hour GC2 Born batteries. We upgraded the solar charge controller to a Victron 7515 for the 100 watt panel up onto the roof. We also installed a Blue Smart IP22 battery charger. It's a 12 volt by 30 amp battery charger in place of the stock converter in order to help charge the Born batteries when they are plugged into shore power. And then the batteries are being monitored by a BMV 712. Everything's tied together, everything is working together as it should. We set up the smart Bluetooth network between everything, so everything's sharing the data as required. So if you have an overlanding or an adventure vehicle that you'd like to have upgraded, give us a call.